what's up and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Logitech Multi-Device K780. Alright, so starting off we have our keyboard, and right underneath that we have our user documentation, and underneath are just some directions on the box. Alright, so getting into the keyboard itself, it's designed for multitasking with easy switch included, and this makes it so that the keyboard is compatible with up to 3 devices and you can easily switch between them. Now the K780 is a little cheaper compared to other wireless keyboards at $64.99 on the Logitech website. The keyboard is also wireless and compatible with either Bluetooth or Logitech unifying receiver. The receiver is in the back along with the 2 AA batteries pre-installed. And the 2 batteries also provide a battery life of up to 24 months. And we also have a long wireless range of up to 33 feet or 10 meters. And the keyboard is also designed with quieter keys, which is especially good for people who prefer not to have the loud typing noise. And we also have our tablet or phone stand, and this supports devices with thickness up to 0.4 inches in landscape mode. Alright guys, so overall I really liked the multi-device K780. It has some really great features like the tablet stand and the easy switch, which make using multiple devices super easy and simple. They also included a lot of great wireless features such as the long wireless range and the long-lasting battery life. Now, especially in wireless keyboards, I say this all the time, I look for a long-lasting battery life because you shouldn't have to keep your wireless keyboard plugged in all the time to a charger. Now, overall, I would definitely give it a big thumbs up. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I will definitely link the product down below if any of you are interested, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!